Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Today we made fried sweet potatoes and a fried egg for our breakfast. Let me show you how I made this. Here I have some sweet potatoes which I washed very well, and I went ahead and peeled and sliced it into tiny pieces like this. Next, I'll now remove it from water and salt it. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt, depending on your taste anyway. Massage it into the potato and then we fry. I have some hot oil here which has been heating for about 5 minutes. Then fry the potatoes until brown and crispy. We are done frying the potatoes. Now let's make our fried eggs. Here I've cracked in 3 eggs and then I'm just adding it about a quarter teaspoon of salt. Stir together or mix together. Next I'll add a quarter teaspoon of curry powder and a cinnamon powder. I like the taste they give me in my fried eggs. I'm also adding a tablespoon of chopped fresh pepper and some onions. I'll mix everything together also. For my leafy vegetable, I'm adding some moringa leaves. I'm using moringa leaves because that's what I have at hand now. Add anything or any vegetable you have. Sometimes I use bell peppers, but I don't have any now. So I'm just using this moringa leaf, onions, fresh pepper, and the curry and the cinnamon. That's all. I'll mix and then we'll fry it. And our breakfast is ready. I enjoyed mine with a cup of turmeric milk tea. You can enjoy yours with a cup of coffee or tea or anything of your choice. You can also eat it like that and drink water. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.